Here's our method here. Treat it kind of like a sewer snake where you can twist it and bring it back and forth, and maybe give it a real good wiggle once you get it up in there almost full length. All going through the clean out in the basement. And the smoke's coming out. The smoke was just backing up inside. Now the smoke's coming out the chimney quite well. Well, this saves calling somebody. It's certainly no chimney sweep or anything, but since this costs absolutely nothing, and we had the pipe laying around, and even if you need such a thing, this would clean your whole chimney quite well. It's not as efficient as a brush would be, but it'll certainly get you out of a jam. And if you do it often enough, there'd really be no need for the brush. I should have done it before, because the smoke was filling up in the house and not coming out at all. I don't know if you can tell now. Smoke's coming out pretty hectically fast now before it bends over and before it just easing out. Anyway, this is Derek with yet another cheap trick hack DIY on the OTC or on the cheap channel. Thanks for watching, folks. Try and get another one up tomorrow. Bye.
Oh yeah.
I'll get out and give that a waggle so I can catch it. Then I'll leave it in, then I'll come down. Now that I got your interest, your curiosity piqued, is Derek from the DIY OTC on the cheap channel again. And today we're cleaning out a very plugged chimney with a length of 1.25 inch plastic pipe. So what we've done is inserted with the fire going, because the smoke wasn't coming out and there's some sort of critter built a nest. And outside of getting up on this church type peak roof, slope roof, we have inserted a chunk of pipe, which is leftover PVC well pipe. Now I'll take you down inside to show you how we access it. Give me just a break here, maybe right there. We're still live. Is there a light right here somewhere? Oh, that's good enough. Anyway, so this is the clean out cover, which all chimneys have. And we just accessed it here. How many feet do you think that pipe was? 50? Okay, 50 feet of pipe. And I'll try and show you what it actually looks like up there. Which I guess that's not going to work. I will insert a picture.